Hey there. Today we're going to look at how to see deleted messages on WhatsApp. So let's get started. This method works on both Android and iPhone. To begin, open your phone settings. On Android, find and open your notification settings. Then, enable notification history. This feature stores all incoming notifications, including deleted messages. Although this feature is not available on iPhone, if a message is deleted but the notification was already received, you might still be able to read it. Next, ensure that notifications are enabled for WhatsApp. Now let's look at the second method, restoring from a backup. Open WhatsApp, go to the Settings tab, then tap on Chats. Here, choose Chat Backup. If a backup exists from before the message was deleted, you can restore it. Keep in mind, the deleted message will not reappear for the sender or others in the chat, but it will be visible to you. If you want to restore, delete the app and reinstall it. During setup, choose to restore from backup, either iCloud for iPhone, and that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next one.